Welcome to the ultimate tire showdown, where innovation meets the road. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison that's been the talk of the tire world: Michelin CrossClimate 2 versus Continental AllSeasonContact 2. Both tires are at the forefront of all-season performance, promising unmatched versatility. But the question remains, which tire truly stands out? In the realm of wet roads, a true test for any all-season tire, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 edges ahead with its slightly superior wet braking and handling, showcasing its ability to stop shorter and maneuver more efficiently than the Michelin CrossClimate 2. However, when facing the peril of aquaplaning, Michelin takes the lead, offering better resistance and keeping you safer on those treacherous wet roads. Winter driving brings its own challenges, but the Michelin CrossClimate 2 narrowly surpasses the Continental in snow braking, traction, and handling, proving its prowess in snowy conditions. Despite the fierce competition, Michelin's slight advantage in snow performance may make it the go-to tire for those in snowier climates. Durability is key for any tire investment. In this aspect, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 slightly outlasts the Michelin, offering a longer lifespan and showcasing its remarkable wear performance. This makes Continental a compelling choice for those prioritizing longevity and sustainability. On dry roads, Michelin's CrossClimate 2 shines, boasting superior braking and handling, truly living up to its title as the dry master. In terms of noise, both tires perform remarkably close, ensuring a quiet and comfortable ride regardless of your choice. When it comes to rolling resistance and fuel efficiency, both tires perform remarkably, with only a hair's breadth between them. Both the Michelin CrossClimate 2 and Continental AllSeasonContact 2 stand out for their exceptional all-season capabilities. The choice between them comes down to what matters most to you: the wet and durability advantages of Continental or the dry and snow superiority of Michelin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.